Hey, we definitely predicted this back in July, if you're watching, and mentioning how rates were going to start creeping up in September. The last couple weeks, we have seen an increase of rates. And I quoted one thing at the end of August, and it was 2.69, and today was at 2.94 for the same cost. So there has been a pretty significant change in rates. I noticed you'll see on like bankrate.com and other things, they're saying things went from 3.04 to higher. Just know I'm still locking things in the twos. So understand that even when things are going up, it's probably good to like, subscribe, and call me because we're going to take care of you here at Fresh Home Loan and the Digital 411. So that, but do know, with the employment benefits and different things that happened in September, a lot of feds mentioning tapering, a lot of just the recovery coming from the last 18 months of the pandemic that we've seen. It looks like we will see, it's very possible we're going to see rates not going down the rest of the year. So, and again, any questions, do call me. We are here from you, or send me a message, whatever you want to do. And thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.